Welcome to our roundup of the best rice cooker options. Whether you're cooking fluffy white rice, hearty brown rice, or experimenting with soups, porridge, and steamed meals, we've selected top-rated rice cookers that combine convenience, performance, and smart features. We'll break down each model's key highlights like capacity, cooking technology, ease of use, and versatility to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal rice cooker for you. The first on the list is the Aroma Professional Digital Rice Cooker. This versatile kitchen companion is built for households that want more than just basic rice cooking. Featuring 15 cooking functions, turbo fast cooking, and large 20-cup capacity, it offers incredible flexibility for different meals. Whether you're cooking white rice, brown rice, or even slow-cooking stews, this cooker adapts easily. The digital controls are intuitive, making it simple for beginners while still offering enough options for experienced users. The turbo mode is especially helpful when you're short on time, delivering perfectly cooked rice much faster than standard settings. Beyond speed and versatility, this model excels in consistency. The built-in sensors adjust temperature and timing automatically, ensuring each batch comes out evenly cooked without guesswork. The Keep Warm function maintains the rice at the perfect serving temperature for hours without drying it out. Its non-stick Interpot prevents rice from sticking and makes cleanup quick and easy. You can also use it for steaming vegetables or cooking proteins, making it a multifunctional tool in your kitchen rather than just a rice cooker. Another major advantage is its generous capacity, making it perfect for families or meal prepping. You can cook large portions in one go, saving both time and effort during busy weeks. Despite its size, the design remains sleek enough to fit comfortably on most countertops. Overall, this rice cooker offers a strong balance of versatility, capacity, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a reliable all-in-one cooking solution. Next up is the Cuckoo MyCom Rice Cooker 6-Cup. Known for its precision and smart cooking technology, this model stands out with fuzzy logic technology, compact 6-cup size, and multi-menu options. It automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature based on the type of rice and moisture level, ensuring perfectly cooked results every time. This intelligent system removes the guesswork, making it ideal for users who want consistent quality without manual adjustments. The compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or individuals who don't need large batch cooking. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on performance. The multi-menu settings allow you to prepare a wide variety of dishes, including sushi rice, porridge, and even cakes. The user interface is simple yet effective, with clearly labeled buttons that make operation easy for all skill levels. In terms of build quality, this cooker reflects Cuckoo's reputation for durability. The inner pot is designed to distribute heat evenly, preventing undercooked or overcooked spots. The Keep Warm function works efficiently without affecting texture or flavor. Additionally, the lid seals tightly, preserving moisture and enhancing the overall cooking process. While it may be slightly more expensive than basic models, the performance and reliability justify the investment. Overall, this rice cooker offers a strong balance of versatility, compact design, and smart cooking features, making it an excellent choice for users who want precision, compact design, and smart cooking features. Next up, we have the Black & Decker 16-Cup Rice Cooker. This model is all about simplicity and value, making it a great choice for beginners or budget-conscious buyers. It features one-touch operation, large 16-cup capacity, and automatic Keep Warm function, making cooking rice as easy as pressing a single button. There's no complicated setup or learning curve, which is perfect for those who just want reliable results without extra effort. Despite its simplicity, it performs surprisingly well. The cooking process is straightforward, and once the rice is ready, the cooker automatically switches to Keep Warm mode. This ensures your rice stays hot and ready to serve without overcooking. The non-stick pot makes cleanup quick, and the included steaming basket allows you to prepare vegetables or fish alongside your rice, adding more functionality. Its large capacity makes it ideal for families or gatherings, allowing you to cook enough rice in one batch, saving both time and effort during busy weeks. Despite its size, the design remains sleek enough to fit comfortably on most countertops. Overall, this rice cooker offers a strong balance of value, ease of use, and dependable performance, making it an excellent choice for everyday cooking needs. Next, we have the Kusori Rice Cooker 10 Cup. This modern rice cooker is designed for versatility and smart functionality. With multiple cooking presets, large family capacity, and smart digital interface, it goes beyond simple rice cooking to handle a variety of dishes. Whether you're cooking grains, soups, or steamed meals, it provides consistent and reliable results. The digital control panel is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to switch between cooking modes effortlessly. The delay timer adds flexibility, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Its even heat distribution ensures perfectly cooked rice with the right texture every time. Comfort and usability are also strong points. The non-stick inner pot is durable and easy to clean, while the keep warm function maintains freshness without drying out the food. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, although it does require a bit more counter space compared to compact models. Another advantage is its ability to handle larger portions, making it ideal for families or meal prep. While it may be slightly bulkier, the added functionality makes it a worthwhile upgrade. Overall, the Kusori Rice Cooker 10 Cup is a powerful and versatile option that combines smart features with reliable cooking performance. The last one on our list is the Comfy Compact Rice Cooker. This compact and lightweight model is perfect for individuals or small households. With its compact space-saving design, one-touch cooking system, and quick, efficient performance, it delivers simplicity and reliability in a small package. It's ideal for cooking small portions without taking up too much space in your kitchen. Despite its size, it performs impressively well. It cooks rice evenly and efficiently, producing fluffy and well-textured results. The one-touch operation makes it extremely easy to use, especially for beginners. Once the cooking is complete, it automatically switches to keep warm mode to maintain freshness. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning, and its lightweight design makes it easy to carry or store. While it doesn't include advanced features or multiple cooking modes, it focuses on delivering consistent results with minimal effort. This model is also energy efficient, making it a great choice for quick meals and everyday use. Although it may not suit large families, it excels as a personal rice cooker or a secondary appliance. Overall, the Comfy Compact Rice Cooker is a simple, affordable, and highly convenient option for anyone looking for a compact and dependable rice cooker. So that's it for the best rice cookers on the market. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.